As you are now aware, only practice can ensure good control and power in a hammer. To avoid serious risk of injury, never strike hardened steel objects with a bullpen hammer, and never strike two hammerheads together. Certain objects have to be fitted or removed by hammering, such as this shear pin. In order to remove the pin, a drift will be required. These drifts, also called pin punches, are a necessary part of any toolkit. Select a suitable size punch and hammer for the job. Short, sharp, and fairly rapid blows will easily dislodge and drive out even the most stubborn pins. Center punches and prick punches are designed to produce visible indentations into workpieces. Cutting lines and hole circumferences are accurately maintained when a series of small dots have been produced with the prick punch. Only very light hammering with a machinist's hammer is needed for prick punching. A center punch is used to produce a deeper indentation into which the tip of a drill bit can be located. A firm single hammer blow with a 250-gram hammer is required for center punching. Hollow punches, sometimes called wad punches, are commonly used by many technicians. The purpose of a hollow punch is to produce neat holes in soft material for items such as gaskets. Again, a medium or light hammer is used to provide firm blows to the punch. To avoid damaging the punch at its cutting end, a piece of timber is placed under the work. Use the end grain of the timber to reduce the chance of dulling the punch's cutting edge. To conclude this program, it is suggested that you practice using your various hammers in your own workplace, applying the principles that you have learnt in this program. You can learn more about hand tools and hand skills by viewing forthcoming programs by Tech AV.